Hello students, welcome to the online tutorial session. Today we will finish the next part of this chapter number 6. Hopefully this is the final class for finishing this chapter. Okay, today we will start from the chatting part. Okay, so first we have to understand what is chat, then chatting, and then few details about it. So what is chat? Chat refers to any kind of a communication over the internet that offers a real-time transmission of the text from the receiver to sender end. So, or you can say it is a process of communicating, interacting, or exchanging message over the internet. Okay. So it is a real-time communication. Okay, between more than one user in the network. So this is what is chat. Then what is actually chatting? Online programs called chat programs were developed in the late 80s to help the communication between people. Working on a similar project in different research organizations, these programs allow users to send and receive text-based message. Not only chatting is text-based. Okay, so there is a different type of chatting services are there, or you can say type, that is instant messaging. Okay, that is IM. So IM, or you can say in direct chat also. This type of service, that is Google Talk, allows two persons to chat when both of them are online. Okay, so this is an example. Another is that is instant relay chat. Okay, so this is IRC. This chat is begun in 1988 and allowed thousands of internet users to participate in the real-time text-based chat by typing commands. Okay, so example is Microsoft Chat. Okay, another one is the web-based chat. Okay, so this type of chat services is accessed through the web browser. Okay, here the user do not have to remember the commands to work on the graphical interface. They send receive message. Okay, Yahoo chat site is a very good example of the web-based chat. Okay, so what are actually the advantages of this chat? So using chat, a real-time interaction session can be established between the user. Using chat, different types of data like text, voice, files, even URLs can be sent. It is a cheap mode of instant communication. Okay. Now coming to the topic that is very interesting one, very popular among the youngster, not only among the youngster. Okay, so that is social networking. Okay, it's a very important topic nowadays. Okay, a social networking service is an online service used to interact over the internet. It helps in building the social network among the people by allowing the user to share their ideas, activities, events, and interests. Okay, so how we are doing? What are the companies or software companies are using? Facebook.com, MySpace.com, Orkut, Twitter, okay, YouTube. Okay, so these are actually, you can say, the examples of the social networking sites. So you just see the percentage. Okay, I'm using another color now, otherwise you are not able to understand. This one, please. That 50 any social networking site, okay, 50 to 56% is there. Facebook, 58 to 56% are using. Okay, LinkedIn are using mostly by the 14%, Twitter is by 11%, and Google Plus is by 9%. So Facebook and other social networking are having 50-50, that is 58 to 56. So look at the amount of the people are using social networking sites. So what are actually the advantage of using this one? So communication with old friends. So social network can be from between ex-students of our educational institute or school, college. Okay, or you can distance relatives also. Education purpose, that such a network can be used as a communication tool by the teacher and the student to answer the query, discuss the topic taught in the class. Okay. Number three is advertising. Organization can create their profile, advertise their product and services through them. Number four, the business social network can be maintained between the different business partners also. Enhancing the job opportunity. So student can use the surface network for with a professional for internship, job opportunity. Many of them, I mean, huge number of people are working in the social networking sites like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Okay, so it is also give you not only give you the entertainment also, but give you the job perspectives as well. Okay, so there is a social effect also there. Social effect means that through this you are in a Facebook, you can see the donate blood option is there, so it will create a community of the blood donor also, that whenever there is a scarcity of a blood, they if you are having similar kind of a blood group, then they will give you the notification that nearby this ones need a blood, so if you can give them, so it is a very good thing. So financial support through the Facebook, people are raising funds. In Amphan also people are raising funds through this Facebook. Okay, so Twitter also. So it is a very good. It is also give us or also help us in the social way also. So now it's coming to the disadvantage part. So as many number of people are using, it will give you the adverse effect also. So what are the adverse effect? That is the disclose the personal information. So actually you are unknowingly doing this, and people are actually unknowing when you accept the cookies, okay, from these sites. So unknowingly you are actually giving your information to this particular site. So in few earlier in like one year or 1.5 years ago, there is a news that Facebook is selling the information, okay, user information like that. So this kind of a things is happening. So you have to be very careful in this case. Okay, so many people I have completely one a new one example, that is a crime event actually I'm sharing, that the person actually leaves the house and gone for a trip. Okay, he mentioned everything, that moving over here and going for vacation and all, and everything he posted, and some of them are actually maybe the person who actually do this crime, it is maybe known that particular person, he knows that he gone for a trip, the house is left alone, nobody is there, and that point of time thief came and taken all the things. So the police investigated it, and after that, when actually they caught that person, and in an interrogation they will come to know that from the Facebook he come to know that this person will be not there for few days. Then they have planned it and they have done this thing. So be careful while you are sharing your personal information on this kind of a networking sites. Okay, next one is a virus threat, that user of these services also need to be aware of the virus attacks. Emotional abuse is, okay, this is actually a very good one to discuss, that many people are using the fake profiles, sending the fake request to the person. They are actually sending the messages. Okay, so actually they are interacting more, and at point of time in an emotional level they are connected, and after that it will reveal that he is not a boy, he is a girl, or he is not a girl, he is a boy. So this kind of a things is happening. So it actually destroy the mental health of a person. Okay, so the person get depressed or something. So this is actually a very bad thing. So emotional abuse also done. Okay, and many cases reported, many rape cases also are reported nowadays, that they are being a friend on a Facebook or something, they call that person, call that girl, and gang rapes and everything is happening. So it is a emotional abuse also. So be aware of this. Don't try to talk. If you know that person, then accept the request. Otherwise, go through the profile and everything, judge. Don't share and don't trust. Okay. Now is invention of the privacy. This site often contain a great deal of data that can be difficult to obtain using traditional ways. Using data for other use can lead to invention of the privacy also. Okay, so you have to be very careful. Okay, so it can through the Facebook it can steal your private information like banking information and everything. So be very careful doing this, and people are more spending time on the social networking site. So what will happen, your education area also getting hampered due to this.